And now, San Diego Connect.
You're going to host any summer parties? You'll want to after you see what food and lifestyle expert Parker Wallace has for you. What is on Parker's plate today?
Hi, Bill. Well, I've got excellent recipes because, of course, we're celebrating National Egg Month. For me, it's all about quality ingredients when I'm entertaining. These are Happy Egg free-range blue and brown heritage breed eggs. These eggs actually come from two distinct breeds of hens. They have rich, plump amber yolks, so you can create delicious recipes and better tasting, creamier eggs. Just look how gorgeous and golden this yolk is.
I've heard about that, and you can see the yolk right there in the skillet dish that you prepared.
It's just golden and beautiful, and it's actually the result of nutrient-rich feed and the fact that all Happy Egg hens get to roam on over 8 acres of pasture. So I've made bacon and egg stuffed sweet potatoes, that luscious summer skillet, and my favorite tropical egg crostini. These are farmers market quality eggs, and you can find them at Ralph's and Sprouts.
I love it. Happy Egg, I just love it.
Yeah.
Now talk about the Farmer John's hot dogs and bacon.
This is such a fun way to entertain guests over the
Yes.
summer with a hot dog bar, and Farmer John is my go-to in entertaining because of all of their products. They're high quality, they're super versatile, and with so many delicious options and varieties, the possibilities are endless. They're a guaranteed crowd pleaser. I've got Farmer John hot dogs and bacon. You can use them for any grilling occasion. Just mix and match with your favorite toppings. Of course, my favorite, the West Coast original, just like Farmer John, wrapped in bacon and all of that savory delicious. And you can find Farmer John at Ralph's, Vaughn's, Smart and Final, and Albertsons.
I like the Tex-Mex version right there with the guacamole and corn.
Oh, gotta have it.
So you can do anything with hot dogs. I love that. Now this is good because you do snacks with the wonderful pistachios, and I know they're very rich in protein, aren't they?
They are, and they're a good source of fiber. This is a must-have, whether you're entertaining, putting them out with a cheese board like this. They happen to be one of the highest protein snack nuts out there, and they contain 6 grams of plant-based protein per serving. Plus, these in-shell pistachios, they can kind of help fool yourself full because those leftover shells provide a visual cue for portion control. So pair them with fruit, add them to your cheese board, and they're a great heart-healthy snack to take on the road if you're
Wonderful
traveling.
pistachios. ParkersPlate.com is the place to go to look for all these wonderful summer foods.